Hello folks, this is going to be a short update. Just wanted to show you some of the progress that I made with text, SG text, whatever. So basically, as you can tell, uh, the width and height can be text size, custom, and of course expand to fill. If it's text size, it's basically going to try and auto fit whatever the text is in there. So if I start typing stuff in here, it's going to resize it. See the purple outline, that's the actual, can I get a little closer? Yeah, that is the actual, I guess the mesh size, or in this case, the texture size. So yeah, there's that. Uh, the the other thing is that, oh, like the bottom label here. If we take a look at this, you see that it has a kind of a shadow to it, and it's a fake shadow. It's actually two labels, one under the other. Let me see if I can locate it here. Yeah, there it is. See, it's black color and white color. So if I pick, oops, let me just pick a color from here. Yeah, there we go. Or red. So yeah, this is GUI text shader, so you can pick whatever color you want. I've also been experimenting, which I haven't like completely added support for yet. Is something like rich text. Well, actually, even before I go into that, let me just show you the multi-line support. So testing, and of course again testing. So it, as you can tell, it's able to do multi-line at the moment, but that's not all. I wanted a way to try to see if I can add rich text support later without relying on the shader itself. Maybe later I'll add a combination of the two, like the texture itself and the shader. But for now, I have unlit transparent. So in code, I'm not exposing this anyhow in any way at the moment. It's changing every time I change the text color. I mean the contents of the text. It's going to change the colors of all, each of the letters, randomly. So yeah, I'm able to change the color of each individual character. So eventually, what I was hoping to do, let me get rid of this, is basically have this, something like color red, and it would change, and of course the angle brackets color. So you of course anything inside the angle brackets you wouldn't actually see. You would just control whatever is inside those tags. So in this case, testing would turn red, and some like HTML, it might be bold or italic, But that's something I'm gonna have to mess around with later. Actually, I don't know. I don't know because the way I'm think. Well, hmm. I'll have to get back to you. So let's say Impact 32. Or if I switch it to Verdana, it it relies. No, don't do that. Oh, how come this is not centered? Oh, there it is. Never mind. So I don't know if I'll go with this approach or not. But most likely I'll just say fonts, and then uh, maybe I'll have like one or two or three or something like that, and then have a list of fonts here. Maybe an array of sorts. So fonts, and then one, two, three, four. Just like let me see if I can find our layouts. How children are. Maybe same thing for fonts. I haven't decided yet. Just spitballing right now. And then I can put in a whole bunch of these custom fonts in there. And these custom fonts are just regular fonts. Let's see, fonts folder. So what is this? Verdana. There we go. So it's just a custom font, and of course it has its own texture, and the only thing I changed is this. Oh, and these two options here, I think. Oh, clamping points. I want it to be pixel perfect, which it is actually. I digress. But if I wanted to use a custom font, let's say Courier New 12, you'll see when you resize, so I can reposition it. You'll see that that is pixel perfect. Okay, this is kind of distracting. Like I don't want to see these angle brackets. So there, yeah, it's pixel perfect. Uh, I'll add a new line or even periods. That's a space commas. Actually, the commas to begin with don't look great. Let me try exclamation. Yeah, that'll show the pixel perfect portion of it, aspect of it. I mean. So yeah, I mean, it's pixel perfect. I'm able to change the color if it's multi-line. The wrapping I haven't done yet. Uh, if, uh, I'll have to customize this more. So you know if 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 you set the width and the height to text size, then it'll affect the wrapping. In this case, the width. If it's text size. So you can't word wrap it or character wrap it. Since text size will try to auto fit the width to whatever the text is. And of course, like you already know, if it checks all the lines to see which one's the longest, and it'll use that as the actual width for the text size. So in this case, the third line. And if I go under, then it'll use the second line. And if I go under that, actually it's using the third line, I believe. Yeah, so if I go under that, then it uses the first line. So yeah, I mean, word wrap will work if you set it to custom or expand to fill. Word and character wrap, that is. And that's just some basic stuff for now. I hope you enjoy that, and I will catch you another time. Take it easy, all. Bye bye.